Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix CapCut network error on your PC. So basically here, if you open your CapCut and you find this error, as you can see network error, click to try again. Now to fix this issue, you just need to fix your networking connection. Go to Start menu icon, go to Settings, and here click on the Network and Internet. Now here just need to click on VPN and then click on the Add VPN button right there at the top right. Now just need to add a VPN connection. In VPN provider, just need to click on that and choose Windows built-in. And then here on the connection name, we just need to change it right here into VPN1. Now the next field right here, server name or address. Now to get your server name, just need to go to your Google Chrome right here. And then just type VPN Gate and tap on search. And here just need to click on the first link, VPN Gate Public Free VPN Cloud. And from here just need to find a VPN, public VPN. And now here all you need to do is just choose the public VPN and you just need to copy and paste that in this server address. So for example, this one, so right click and then click on the copy button right there. Go back to the settings and we're just gonna paste it right here. Now let's go into the next field, so the VPN type. Now click on this one and choose this SSTP. And here on type of sign-in info, just need to type or this choose username and password. Now just need to enter username and password. It is optional, but you can go back to Google Chrome and just copy this username VPN and password VPN. So go back there and just type right here the username VPN and the password. Once you've done, check this remember my sign-in info and then you just need to click on save button right there. And once you've done this one, just need to connect this VPN1 to be able to retry the connection or network error on your CapCut. So once it connected, as you can see, verifying and completing the connection. Now it is connected, so go back to the CapCut. So we're gonna click on click to try again, and as you can see, it simply fixed the network error on your CapCut. So as you can see, you can try to reload all the transitions, the effects or the stickers. So you're gonna click on the retry or reconnecting error, and yeah, just need to follow those step-by-step guide right here. So that's it. That's how you basically fix network error on your CapCut on PC. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.